So you've been posting to Instagram daily for about a year or so. You have like 10,000 followers, you get like 100 likes per post. You've used the follow, unfollow services here and there, nothing regular, no big deal. But then it happens. Your Instagram engagement drops. You're getting like 20 likes per post and you're wondering what's happening. You can't follow anybody anymore. You've been shadow banned by Instagram, right? Maybe. I'm Ian Corzine, your social media lawyer, and in this video, I will reveal the Instagram shadow ban secret, and I will show you how to fix an Instagram engagement drop. All right, let's hit this. What is the Instagram shadow ban secret? Well, to understand this, you have to understand how the Instagram algorithm works. When you make a post to Instagram, Instagram shows that post to a small amount of your followers. If your followers like it, share it, maybe make a comment to it, and more importantly, if they do that quickly, then Instagram shows that post to more of your followers. If this larger portion of your followers responds to it quickly, then Instagram may send it to hashtag followers, or possibly, and this is the best, send it to the Explorer page. However, if your engagement on your post is slow and low, then Instagram sends that post to the bottom of your followers' feeds. So when someone refers to an Instagram shadow ban, what they're really saying is that Instagram is not showing your post to non-followers. That results in a static Instagram account, and sometimes your follower counts actually go down. Some Instagram users use the term shadow ban more broadly, and basically what they say is that if you get a shadow ban, some of the functionality of your Instagram account is decreased. Like you can't follow people or you can't like posts. The term shadow ban originated in 2015. That was back when the social media platform Reddit allegedly disabled its users' ability to post or to do up and down votes because they posted spammy comments or they posted too much. Shadow ban began to be used with respect to Instagram in December of 2016. That was when users of Instagram, mainly photographers, noticed that their likes went down after what they perceived were violations of community guidelines. As your social media lawyer, you know that I've reviewed each and every Instagram community guideline, and I can tell you which ones were alleged to be the cause of an Instagram shadow ban. And those were overstuffing your posts with a lot of popular hashtags, that was using bots to collect likes, shares, or comments, that was paying services to follow or unfollow, and also a cause of shadow banning, they allege, was when you posted nudity or violence in the photos in your Instagram account. I know it's a little bit embarrassing, but have you done any of these things? Do you believe you've ever been subject to an Instagram shadow ban? If so, please tell me in the comments below. Now that we understand the Instagram algorithm, the Instagram shadow ban, what it means, and the history of the Instagram shadow ban, now it's time to reveal the Instagram shadow ban secret. I have spoken to a lot of my social media clients who are well connected with Instagram, and I can tell you categorically that a decrease in the likes in your account is not always your fault. The Instagram algorithm has so many factors that it considers for placement of your posts, like when your post was posted during the day, how many people responded to it, how quickly they responded to it. It has so many factors that it's virtually impossible for you, even a professional Instagrammer, to be able to categorically increase your likes and increase your followers throughout the months and throughout the years. But I have to tell you, whatever the cause of a decrease in likes, a decrease in followers, the loss of functionality of your Instagram account, it is not because of an Instagram shadow ban. The Instagram shadow ban secret is that there is no Instagram shadow ban. Instagram has no grand plan to reduce the amount of likes for a given post based upon the fact that you put too many hashtags in that post. The visibility of your Instagram post depends upon two things: the Instagram algorithm and whether or not another Instagram user has reported you. If you post daily to Instagram with virtually the same hashtags, a lot of times very popular hashtags, then the Instagram algorithm is going to downgrade you. If your audience gets bored with your post, no matter how brilliant, you're going to get less likes. If you're following and unfollowing more than 200 times a day, well then the Instagram algorithm algorithm is going to know, and it's going to disable certain functions of your account. It says they're right there in the Instagram community guidelines that if you violate Instagram's rules, well, then it can delete your account, it can disable your functions, or it can place other limitations on your Instagram account. And certainly if you violate an Instagram rule and someone is offended and reports you, then you know Instagram is going to take some adverse action towards your account. So there is no Instagram shadow ban secret, but I do have some recommendations for how not to get slammed by the Instagram algorithm on your account. First off, never use services or bots to enhance your likes, your shares, or your comments. Instagram, and when I say Instagram, I mean the Instagram algorithm, is going to know and they're going to take some action. Second, post only video, photos, or audio that you actually own or can use by virtue of the fair use doctrine. If you want to learn more about the fair use doctrine, watch the video in the card right there. Third, don't spam on Instagram. What do I mean by that? Don't constantly use the same hashtags, the popular hashtags that everybody is using in all of your posts. Don't tag someone who's not actually in your photo or your video. Don't make spammy comments like I'll follow you if you follow me. Don't play the follow-unfollow game. And don't post so much. Despite what Gary Vee says about posting 3 to 7 times a day, don't do that. The Instagram algorithm will see that you're posting a lot and will downgrade your posts as a result. It will downgrade your posts not because it doesn't like you, it will downgrade the post because it wants audience retention. It wants people on the platform all day long. And so if it perceives that your content is spammy or not important, it's definitely going to downgrade it. Fourth, always post to Instagram original, authentic, and unique content. You know, it's not always the same posts that you've done for the last 3 months that are gonna work in the future. You've gotta be creative. People get bored with the same posts no matter how genius they are. They need to see different things to keep engaged. So it's really important that all your posts are intentional and that you're trying to create unique content each time you post to Instagram. And finally, for Pete's sake, be careful when you post music to Instagram. If you'd like to learn more about how you legally post music to Instagram, watch my video right here. If you're new to the channel, come join us. I would love to see you here. Hit the like button, consider subscribing, and if you need to talk to me, schedule a consult on iancorzine.com. Join us on the Discord server. There's a link to the Discord server in the description section below. Okay, that's enough for now. We'll see you next time.